What's up, everybody? JC with Stoner Car Care. Today, if you couldn't tell, we are talking about microfibers, how to pick the right towel for the right job. Let's get after it. One of the common themes we talk about here is getting the right tool for the right job. And commonly, I'll have my friends who aren't necessarily detailers or around cars all the time ask, hey, do you have microfibers I can use for my car? And my response a lot of times is, what kind? And they're confused by that question. What do you mean, what kind? Just give me a microfiber. When you look at microfibers and you think about them in general, they're actually very similar. All of the things you see on here are microfiber material. They are all either 70-30 or 80-20 polyester, polyamide, polyamide blends. So structurally, in the chemistry formation of these, they are very, very similar. But just look at how different their structures are when you actually use them. These are all set up with threes, and you can see other than just the colors, how much structural difference can happen out of those same building blocks. My brain goes back to my biochemistry days, learning anatomy and physiology, which just means structure and function. So out of those same building blocks, polyester, polyamide, you get very structurally different things that are built for different jobs. Very high pile that have jobs to pull either moisture or dirt away, very low pile that are meant for polishing and cleaning, and then some all-around ones that are a little bit of both worlds. Those things are designed to do specific jobs better. Can you get away with an all-purpose microfiber for lots of things? Absolutely. However, right tool for the right job, the right microfiber for the right job, that's going to help you a lot in these cases. So let's get into each one of these individually and show what they are good at and what maybe they're not so good at. To start looking at differences, we'll take both, maybe the more nuanced differences, both all-purpose towels. So other than the color again, we have a 300 GSM all-purpose microfiber and we have a 365 GSM all-purpose microfiber. Some people will mistakenly think that higher GSM means better quality. That is not true. It's just a different kind of towel. These are all different GSMs. That does not indicate quality. It indicates purpose of the towel. Now, can you get super lightweight ones that are cheap? Absolutely, but this is not what we're talking about here. 300, 365, very subtle differences on their thickness. However, on putting on high-end coatings, so think about hybrid ceramic coatings, think about high quality leather cleaners, you want that product on the surface of your car, not absorbing into your towel. We would recommend using something like the 300 GSM. For detailing your trim, for removing waxes and polishes from your car that you want to pull away a little bit more effectively, we would recommend something like a 365 GSM. So again, both all-purpose microfibers, both will do lots of jobs very well. However, nuances in the way they're built and will get you better performance in the different jobs you do. Next towel we're talking about is a Waffle Weave towel, which most of you have heard about. This is a 370 GSM Waffle Weave towel, and as you can see, compared to the all-purpose towels we have, this one has an edge to it. Again, you're not going to be worried about scratching glass when you are cleaning glass with this. This also, that stitching allows the seam to be closed off. So compared to these, where you can kind of get some lint fibers occasionally to bleed off, this has the lowest likelihood of making any lint. So again, when you're looking for that perfect glass, you're using your invisible glass cleaner, this is going to be the towel to do that. Designed for glass, designed for low lint, and getting streak-free glass results. It's a very specific towel. Next towel we're talking about is our high pile microfiber. So first thing you notice is just how darn beautiful and fluffy this thing is. Again, structure and function of this one is to pull dirt and debris away from the surface, to capture in these long split microfiber ends to keep the surface, primarily for this microfiber, your clear coat. That's the main purpose here, to keep that from getting scratched as much as possible. And just, I mean, again, open this bad boy up and look at how much thicker and fluffy this one is. So the all-purpose versus the high pile, again, that is structurally different. And also, again, remember, this was 300 GSM. This is a 500 GSM, edgeless. Again, the purpose of this is be as soft and accommodating to the surface you're wiping on as possible. Pull the dirt and anything that could potentially scratch it away. No edging, so again, no risk of scratching. The last towel we're going to talk about is the Gauntlet towel, which is a very, very specific functional towel for drying and pulling excess water off of your surface. So this is designed and engineered, again, structure and function, to do this one job very well. If you would try to polish or clean with this, you're going to have your hands full. 900 GSM, suede edged, scratchless suede edge, and it's a big 30 by 36 towel, huge boy, with alternating lines of twist loop, which is again is maybe the best way to pull large amounts of water off of a surface, and then the super soft plush, kind of, again, to give that nice glide and finishing streak-free, water-free surface. Again, very, very specific towel, made from the same building blocks as the other ones. Right towel for the right job. Can you dry a car with an all-purpose microfiber? Yes, but you're going to need about 50 of them, and it's going to take a long time, and it's going to make a mess. This is designed to, without extra weight, fly across your vehicle surface and dry it very quickly. For good and bad, microfibers have somewhat become commodities. You can get them at almost any store. However, that quality might be questionable. The ones that we are carrying are all, again, sourced around the world, the absolute best manufacturers. Typically, they are made in South Korea, which is the mecca of making microfiber. They're higher quality. Yes, they're higher priced. However, if you get their high quality, you can care for them and get lots of life out of them. If you want and are curious about the proper care of microfiber towels, you can link to, I think we have it in the description. Rich had an extensive video on just taking care of these towels. I will typically have a life cycle of a towel where it goes from something like a very specific high quality job, so just cleaning glass or just doing the final buff on wax. That'll then migrate to more of an all-purpose. It'll take care of some trim, it'll take care of some interior detailing kind of products, and then finally at the end of life, that microfiber will be doing things like wheels and tires, and then it finally ends up in the bin. However, high quality towels, they're going to get lots of life out of them, and make sure you have that right tool for the right job. Obviously, these aren't the only style microfibers that are available, but in general, if you remember, a higher pile or higher GSM is going to be more absorbent and pull things away from the surface more. A lower pile, lower GSM is going to keep product at the surface you're working on with more contact. So that gives you some general guidelines of how to choose the correct microfiber for the correct job. What are your favorite microfibers? What are the next microfibers that stoners should look to carry? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.